Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Mural for sprint planning and UI ideation boards, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Mural website and click on the Get Started for Free button. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a password. Confirm your email by checking your inbox for a verification link. Once verified, log in to your new Mural account. On the Mural dashboard, click on the Create a New Mural button. Choose a template that suits your sprint planning or UI ideation needs. Customize the template by adding elements such as sticky notes, text boxes, or images. Invite team members by clicking on the Share button and entering their email addresses. Set permissions for your team members to allow them to edit or view the mural. Use collaboration tools like chat and video calls within Mural for discussions. Plan your sprint by breaking down tasks into actionable items using the sticky notes. For UI ideation, use the drawing tools to sketch out ideas or designs directly on the board. Organize the feedback by categorizing suggestions from team members. Utilize the timeline feature to track the progress of your sprint planning. Save your mural frequently to avoid losing any changes. Finally, share the final sprint plan or UI ideation board with all stakeholders for review. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.